Okay, guys, the last time wasn't a good time. I kind of died because of the chair. I died because of him because I didn't sit on a chair. I didn't sit on a fucking chair. That's why because I died, guys. So this time I'm sitting on a chair. I'm gonna twerk on this guy.
Okay, but can we stay in the chair?
Fuck you, bitch. Okay, I'm done. I'm done swearing at this guy.
It looks sexy.
Hey, what the? Let's do this again.
You are not probably wondering why I gathered you guys.
Yeah, we know already.
Stand up, bro.
I'ma slap your hand. Until next Friday, I'ma kiss you. Mwah. And I'm taller than you.
Chill.
Everyone's sending me like a friend request.
I don't know, sad.
Hola.
Or else you will be inspired to the thing. Yeah, we don't care.
We don't care you.
Dr. Eggman.
Look at that.
Now,
You see that?
Take a seat. Alright, good. Do not get up.
Look at that lizard. He's gonna die. That lizard, you're gonna die.
Okay, he's probably FK.
Yeah, he is.
Bye, lizard. Goodbye.
Bye, lizard. Wait, I can't jump. Try to jump.
No, you cannot.
See? You cannot jump.
I mean, Ronald, I think.
Ronald
McDonald.
McDonald.
Ronald McDonald.
Ronald McDonald's. Ronald McDonald's. Ronald McDonald's. Ronald McDonald's. It's Ronald McDonald's. Ronald McDonald's. It's Ronald McDonald's from McDonald's. He quit his job to be a criminal. He quit his job. This is where we are. This is where, I can't even.
We are heading.
Hey, yo, what is he doing with that man?
He's gonna.
Hey, why is he tied up and why is he standing behind him?
Oh no, everyone is.
Why has everything in that play? That has to be the most cringiest line ever.
That is the most luckiest the plane.
This man is behind the pilot that's like, hey, yo, hey, what is that position?
Hey, yo, chill, yo, chill, bro. Are they like doing such stuff to there?
We will find Ronald and do some stuff with him and bring him to justice. Or bring him to the room and do some stuff with him.
But we
How will we get to the plane? Good question. Follow me. We'll follow him into his secret laboratory that nobody knows about and no one dared to question him. Guys, subscribe if you think of me as a great soldier.
I'm gonna fly a plane later on.
Why did I apply to this job? Why did I apply? I mean, expel me right now because I don't even want to be here.
Everyone ready? No.
That girl ain't ready. She's just standing in the seat. Oh, she made it just in time.
Where we are. Nothing there.
Go down. Bye, Cyrus. Bye, Cyrus.
What did?
Bye, Cyrus.
What did you get that, you fatty?
Bye.
No. You're gonna die again.
I'm not gonna die.
Come on, the plane is right here. Come on.
Boom. Done. Open the door. Open the fucking. What are these sticks holding these uniforms?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
We need VIP to get us.
Why is this way? This way is calling. This. Oh, I'm not getting answer this way.
I'm gonna fall off.
You should get your Cyrus. You should get it. Get it. Look, he's good at one. Get one, or you're gonna die. Get one. Cyrus,
Oh, he did it.
get one. Get one. Get one. Get. Oh, actually, you got one.
Oh, you got me.
It's just I see you with your jacket. It's just kind of weird.
Yeah, but I love Canada.
You love Canada? Looking good. Hey, we looking good with the jacket.
When the phone got
So, you shouldn't. There's parkour here.
someone called you, I think.
Yeah, Josue.
Don't.
Pennywise.
Or Adam just called.
Checking the plane. Not enough fuel.
You got answer the call.
Oh no! It looks like we don't have enough fuel. What are we supposed to do?
Oh no.
What do we do? Oh, shouldn't you be doing that? And also, what do you put obstacles on the things you need to take off? Like, that's the problem. And what is that connected to?
He banned me. What's my block me?
Hey. I'm going to the hard ones because I don't want you dying.
I see a teddy bear.
Oh, a teddy bear? Oh, go. Get that teddy bear, and at the end, I will tell you what to do with those things. I'll tell you what to do with the teddy bear. I found out the secret ending. There's a secret ending to this thing, and I already did it. It's like super sad.
Wait, why?
The secret ending is super sad. Like, you do not want to know. Cyrus, if you die, it's your fault. How do you do? Oh, yeah, see, that is easy.
Oh, we gotta do another one again?
Oh, someone already did. I'm gonna do this one, the blue one. The blue one's the hardest one of them all. How the? I was just close to
How the hell
dying.
is the wire through the gate?
I don't know.
Hurry up. I got the teddy bear.
The teddy
There's
bears.
a teddy bear in there.
The teddy bear is gonna be good for the ending. I tell you what to do with it. And also, why does this like plane look so weird? X
Now you
fail.
have to show me the tank now.
It looks like it's been squashed. Failing tank. Couldn't you just get an excellent
That's me
charger?
finding my girlfriend.
What?
That's me fighting my girlfriend. Like finding them.
Okay, finally we can do it.
Now
Are you ready, Cyrus, to go on an adventure you've never? Oh, I almost forgot. That's Pilot Clark.
Pilot Shark.
And the other one is named Pilot McDonald. He's the son of Donald McDonald.
Pilot.
Hey, look, the other one is named McDonald, and he's the son of Ronald McDonald.
Yeah, Ronald McDonald.
Ronald McDonald's son is here. He's trying.
Outside.
Oh, actually, that kind of is movie, but that's some good graphics. That's good. That's some good physics. Holy shit! Wait, did you die? Come on, Cyrus.
Okay. Alexander, come here. Come now.
Wait, do I want to get the teddy bear?
Get the teddy. Hurry up. Go quick. Good job.
I have a teddy bear. His name is John the Frog.
You're not funny.
Yeah, no, I'm not funny. I'm very funny.
No, you're not.
Look, I'm not very funny. I am very funny.
I'm not a nerd. I'm very.
I don't study. It's actually true. I don't study.
Sorry.
I don't
What
study.
is that?
I don't study.
It's
I
just me and you.
play.
It's just me and you.
They got out of it. It's only you and a. Oh my
Oh,
god, the plane is actually moving.
Well, now Nice graphics, user.
Even so, we. Oh my! This is the plane is actually moving. How like a? How is this moving?
How do you make a robust game that has a story on it and shows this?
And it's moving. It's literal moving, and the plane is actually flying. General. What are these bananas for? They're for your monkey. This is see, his name is Monkey. Eat those bananas now. I tamed you. You shouldn't eat them.
Get a whole bunch.
Cyrus, didn't I tell you if you eat the bananas, some of them are poison?
Oh hell no.
What did I tell you? What did I tell you? What did I tell you?
I'm just joking.
Look, Cyrus, look. Cyrus, I actually was Frankie on that, and I thought he wouldn't say it, but he actually said it.
I'm sorry, I just had to do that.
Oh, that is a 100 coincidence. I actually haven't played this game in a long time, and I didn't know they had that. We're literal.
It's okay, Daddy.
Hey, yo, what? It's so. What did you just?
I will wake you up.
Imagine he was not an NPC and he can hear that and say, "Okay."
Let's sleep together. Come on.
Hey, yo, what?
Let's cuddle.
Nah, you're being weird.
Whoa. Teddy, go save us.
Teddy, go in the rain now. I command you.
Time to wake up, everyone.
Time to wake up, bitches.
It's nighttime, and it looks like it's raining. It's storming outside. There you go. Get out there.
Wait a minute. Wait, who is that? Wait, is that General Pancho in the front? So is General Pancho is in the front, so how is he in the back too?
I don't know.
He's here,
what are you
but
talking about? He's not there.
He's in the front. I see him right there.
Does that mean we would die? Okay,
there's two of them, so one of them is an imposter.
Daddy, chill. I will fix it. I will fix the moderate. But is this guy from the float and then fix it, or
wait out there?
Wait out there.
Wait, we're going out there?
I think we are.
Oh my! This is what it looks like, dang.
Oh hell no!
This is so scary. Shut your bitch ass. Myself. That's my character right there. It's scared. Shut your bitch ass character. Huh? I'm putting this like 18 or over. Because I'm saying bad words.
He fell. He almost fell because I but you know I see him survive the light struck.
So we should not supposed. Oh my god. Oh my god.
Stay here is better. It's better.
Yeah. Oh my god. I'm just gonna stay here.
Come on. Let me be over here, Daddy. Oh.
Don't worry, it's not gonna point here. This is a cheating spot right here.
It's like fast. I could see I could see General Pilo floating.
Oh my!
Look, I'm not lying, but I can see him floating.
You can see him floating?
Look, Wilson. Look at my screen. Look.
What?
He's floating right there. He's floating right there for some reason.
Wait, I actually see him floating too. He's right there.
But he's like, oh, that's good. Perfect.
What? He's actually floating there.
But he's just, but he's just climbing.
He was a god. He was
No,
God.
no, skeleton, that's skeleton.
Hey, yo, what the? He's ugly.
That's you right there. You will not stop this fate. Burn!
Burn, bitch.
Wait, what?
Quickly.
Quick,
Inside the plane. Hola. Come on, Nino.
Get in the plane, get in the
Wait, I want to see the fire from the outside.
Whoa. But he's just standing. Okay. Well, look at my game. He's like glitch. He's like glitch.
Yeah,
He's
mine
climbing on the
too.
floor. He's like climbing on the floor. Well, but he's climbing on the floor.
Here, I'll give you this teddy bear to feel okay. I'll hit you with it
Yeah.
20 times.
Take a Teddy. Take a Teddy.
His name is
Never
Teddy.
mind.
His name is Teddy Bear, not Teddy Bear.
We are almost there.
There's literally a skeleton. Weren't you looking in front of you guys? The pilots are blind or something.
But he's still standing there. He's still climbing. He's just still climbing.
Like, this man never stops climbing. His whole career was climbing. And now he's doing it.
But, well, speaking.
Is this like a injury or something? Like, is he injured? Like, is he gonna do this forever? Like, when we're fighting, is he gonna do that climbing? That's it. That's how he fights now.
Yeah, you will.
He's just gonna be standing on the floor trying to fight.
Good luck, soldiers. I don't work. Sorry.
So
I
I'm
have
just
no
gonna.
money. I cannot pay you. I cannot pay you.
Sorry, I'm just gonna stay. I'm just gonna stay in the
Rotten
plane.
cheese, look. Rotten cheese. I found rotten cheese.
Rotten cheese, bitch.
He's right there still. He's still there.
Let us stand. Then I wanted to do this my whole life.
Yeah, Teddy. Take a Teddy. Teddy bear.
You better hurry
Check the stores.
if you can find
See if you
anything.
can find any. Open the door. Oh, put a hammer.
a hammer.
I found a hammer.
Wait, do you have a hammer?
I found a hammer.
Is he still climbing? How is he doing that?
Oh, hell
That's
no.
Ronald. Ronald McDonald.
I'm coming.
That's Ronald McDonald.
Get it. How did you get here?
Look, come here, Ronald McDonald. Come on, Ronald McDonald.
Oh. Are they doing is Ronald doing the Sucky 3000 on these people?
Hey, yo, what the? Yeah.
But they're
Hey, they're blinded too?
chill.
Dang. Oh, a child?
But they're doing the Sucky 3000 on the child too.
Oh, no. That's gotta be illegal. But how long is it?
That's your boy.
How long
No,
is the child one?
We helped them. Yeah.
Yeah, we help him.
Great. But there is no.
The why do they have a?
But Teddy.
They have a
Teddy,
door that
wait,
says
no,
captain.
Teddy.
Look, they have like a door that says
But
captain.
he's just climbing. But he's fixed. What the heck? He's a glitch. He's like glitch on my screen.
Yeah, he's mine too. This is it.
Oh my God.
We just have one chance to try and talk.
But
with
can
him.
you like block him or something?
I'm good.
Pick the hero.
Who's gonna play the hero?
Ooh,
You?
I will.
No, I will.
will. If I die, I love you all.
Oh, you are gonna die.
Just
You are,
Teddy, come here.
honey.
No, open the door. I got this, boys. We can work this out. Oh, hell nah.
How did you get here?
Get the Teddy. What the Teddy get them?
Yeah, get him, Teddy. You
Can
sucky.
you move? Can you move?
You sucky,
Oh,
sucky
no.
3000. You sucky, sucky
I'm
3000,
a
Teddy.
hero. You do not understand.
You ain't the hero. Come here, Teddy.
Are you all swear something?
I'll be doing that to you if you don't let him
Listen
go.
to what I'm doing to say. It's over. You're going to jail. It's over, Ronald. You are going to jail.
You are ruining my plans. It's too late for that.
He's gonna shot me, I guess.
Holy sh!
We gotta like back up.
Alright, we trust you. General, the captain room is burning. Wait, is the captain dead?
Teddy.
Is the captain?
What we gonna do the Teddy place? Come on.
I guess.
What is this? Oh, did he poop? Did he poop like this?
It's a parachute, I guess.
I will do it. We need to leave or... Goodbye, guys. Oh, we can't get out. We're stuck. What's our backpack? Let's see, what's in our back? But what are we gonna do with the Teddy? What are we gonna do with the Teddy?
You'll see. You'll see. Go, come on, Cyrus. Go. Jump.
Doing.
You ready?
Yeah. God, I'm gonna die.
You started with
Are we like glitch or something? What are we gonna do with the teddy bear?
We'll see.
The saddest death is general. Saddest death.
Yep, see? They died because you said we're going to jail.
He died. He died to us.
No, you said we're going to jail, and he died
Why?
because of that.
I told you, see, I will be the hero.
You literally just killed 2 people.
Doesn't matter.
How are you?
Hello.
How are you the fucking hero?
What do we do? What do we do with the teddy bear?
I guess we give it to a little one. Here you go, bud. No, I remember there's a girl here that we're supposed to give to.
Ooh.
But we're here.
The 2 sergeants?
Did we do it?
Over here. I got it. Can you move your fatty? Sniff.
Yes, go! Sniff. Sniff.
Hey, little girl, you're a fatty.
Hey, little girl. I brought you this teddy bear.
It's just like the one that my dad gave me.
Thank you. It's just like the one that my dad gave me.
Wait, his dad is the general. I killed the general. I killed his dad.
No. He was the captain?
I'm gonna die. I'm gonna.
Cyrus, did you just kill somebody? No, did you just... Cyrus.
I'm gonna get arrested for this. I'm gonna get arrested for that.
You just killed her dad. By saying those words. Cyrus, you're not a hero. You're a murderer.
I'm sorry. I tried wherever I could.
Say sorry to the little girl because you killed her father.
Wait. They give me the bad ending too as well.
They give me the secret ending badge.
No, wait. The bad ending is the bad ending is the bad ending is Kenny's dad died.
Yeah. Thank you so much.
I killed someone.
Thank you so much for watching,
Yeah,
guys.
I'm gonna go to jail for that.
Okay. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you guys later, I guess. Peace.
Yes.
Why do I keep pressing the wrong button?
I don't know.
Welcome back, guys. We're going to be playing some Planes 3 with my friend Cyrus right here.
Hello, guys. Subscribe to me. My channel is
subscribe.
Cyrus.
Cyrus. I don't remember the channel again. Remember to hit that subscribe button and like. And hit that notification bell. You can see when I'm live or...
My new channel is Cyrus Nintendo 6.
I wish I could edit. Yeah.
You are probably wondering
why I gather you guys here. Okay.
Airplane 3.
Oh, Airplane 3. Yep, good.
Airplane 6.
Oh, Imagine.
Airplane 9.
Wait.
Airplane 4. Airplane 3. Airplane 4.
Airplane 21. I'm the Robloxian State Army General. You can call me General Pancho.
Ew.
From this point on, everything I say should be taken as an order. Or else you will be expelled from the team.
Oh, hell not.
I'll be saying some mean things to you because I don't want to be here. Sit on the chair. I said you should be sitting on the chair or you're gonna die.
Yeah,
Oh no, he's gonna die. Shit.
Sit down.
No! Why the fuck? I should have sitting down.